piece of crap.
Yeah. Why do you think they're psyched as shit? Look at them.
Right.
But they were free.
Right. I was gonna say I can't afford to buy them tires.
That's the main thing.
Get some. There you go.